Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn A to Z. We will be coloring all these alphabets with these colors. We have so many colors. Let us get started with the color name. This is black color. This is light blue color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is brown color. This is dark blue color. This is purple color. This is red color. This is dark green color. This is dark pink color. This is light green color. This is light pink color. Let us get started and color all these alphabets. This is A. A for apple. A. A for apple. This is B. B for Barbie. B for Barbie. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H. H for hat. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. I hope you like coloring all these alphabets. Let us read one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you kids for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.